Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Squarespace tutorial step by step.
Are you looking to accept donations directly from your Squarespace website? If so, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to add donation blocks to your Squarespace site, step by step. By the end of this video, you'll know how to make it easy for visitors to support your mission, your project, or your cause, right from your own website. Let's get started. First, head to Squarespace. You can do this by simply opening your browser and typing in squarespace.com. If you aren't already logged in, go ahead and enter your credentials. Don't worry if it takes a second to remember your password. Happens to the best of us. Once you're logged in, locate your website from the dashboard. If you have multiple websites, take a moment to pick the one where you'd like to add your donation block. Thinking of this as your online home, you want to make it inviting and streamlined for your supporters. Now, click on your website's name. This will open up your site so you can start making changes. Next, look for the Edit button, usually in the top corner or right on the page you want to modify. Clicking Edit brings you to the heart of Squarespace's visual editor, where you get to control how things look and feel. Here's where things get interesting. We're going to add a new section to your page. Why add a section? Well, sections help organize your content, and placing your donation block in its own space ensures it stands out. So find the Add Section option, usually hovering near the place you want to insert your block. Give it a click, and you'll see your page open up, almost like adding a new room onto your house. With your section created, it's time to add a new block. Blocks are the building bricks of Squarespace pages. Every image, text, button, or form is a block. In your new section, click to add a block. A menu will pop up with a variety of choices. Scroll through until you see Donation. This is the magic piece. Squarespace has designed it specifically so users like you can easily collect contributions. Select the donation block by clicking on it. You'll likely get some options to configure the donation amount, the label, or description. Take a moment here. You can make it extra clear what the donations go toward, whether it's funding your podcast, helping a nonprofit cause, or simply supporting your artistic journey. Squarespace will guide you through connecting your payment processor, usually Stripe, but if you haven't set this up yet, they'll prompt you. It's a one-time setup, so don't stress if you haven't done it before. The platform walks you through it step by step, and that's genuinely all there is to it. Once you've added the donation block, preview your page to see how it looks to visitors. It should be easy to spot, simple to use, and perfectly integrated into your site's design. So, in just a few clicks, you've empowered your audience to support you directly, whether through one-time gifts, recurring donations, or custom amounts. Remember, having a donation block isn't just about funds. It's about making it simple for people who believe in what you do to show their support. If you found this tutorial helpful, it would mean a lot if you hit that like button. Leave a comment below with any questions or feedback, and don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step Squarespace guides. Thanks for watching, and best of luck growing your website.